What's good, everybody? So today is Tuesday, December 30th, 2025. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, we possibly had the trade of the year today, right? Now, I'm calling it the trade of the year simply because not the amount of profit we made, but what we had to go through for this profit, right? For this profit. So, as you can see, we took a US30 sell position here, in which we hit a 3R. But when I say it was a very, very stressful 3R, um, yeah, it's very stressful. So I'm gonna first go over the results that we got, and then I'm gonna break down the trade, what we were looking for, and all that. And so going to the results, you're gonna see banger 4K on that account, another basically 1400 on this account here. We had another person make 940 on an account, 204 on another account. Another member just bought their third account that they're trying to pass, and they made 735 today. Another person made 482 today. Then we got another individual with 1,051, and then the other account 509. So super solid results. Like I said, it was a very stressful trade, but I'm gonna go ahead and break it down to y'all right here. So let me delete this. So we always start off on this hourly. Like I said, we were trading US30, right? YM. And what I was looking for was after this break of this level here, of this blue line here, I was looking for the market to return into this zone, or it can even get up a little higher, but then give us our reversal confirmations to push down lower, right? Um, and so once we seen it get back into this area, we went down to the lower time frame in which we were able to see our setup on the 20-minute, right? So we got in literally at 6 a.m., in which we entered here, and stop loss was to be slightly above this high. And as you can see, slightly above, it was multiple times where the market came right there. I mean, 1 point away. If I was to have recorded the actual trade, it literally came 1 point away multiple times from hitting stop loss. Right? So we stayed in it. And eventually, when that 9:30 candle came, which is crazy, 9:30 came around and it almost hit the stop loss. Like, that's when the candles was just moving out of whack. It literally started going down right off the rip. We was up like 300, then it pushed all the way back up, getting 1 point away, and then it just bled like we needed it to. And so that was the position which, gave us that big move. But when I say we was in that trade for literally 3.5 hours, a little bit over 3.5 hours. But when that opening bell came around, I mean, it did everything it was supposed to. Like I said, it came close to hit our stop loss multiple times. I was telling the group like it was a potential setup we could have taken on gold that I had liked over here off of this, but we were in US30, and I wasn't looking at anything else. I was hoping that it was gonna be smooth, but this would have gave us a smooth, quick 2R. But I'm grateful. I'm grateful for this US30 trade. Like I said, it didn't hit the stop loss. Definitely required a lot of patience. Definitely tested our patience because even when it got back in profit, I could have just closed it out. And actually, when I was in the trade, I started off with 3 contracts, and once it got to being around like I want to say like 5-6 points away from my stop loss, I added another entry. Because I'm like, okay, if it hit the stop loss, I'm only gonna be losing, less than another $50. So why not? And next, it ended up playing out. It moved my average position up, and next, it tanked. So um, definitely was able to capitalize on that. This is gonna be something where I am looking to get a payout from. I think I only need to make a little less than 800, like 778 or 777 and some change. But yeah, so that was the setup for today. Like I said, trade of the year, honestly. So hopefully, we're gonna try to see if we can get a setup tomorrow for the last day of the year, going into 2026. But yeah, we continually making profits, man. Y'all see it every day. Not only me, but other people in the group, people passing their accounts, and we honestly just getting started. So 2026 is gonna be a big year. We're gonna continue this momentum. Um, if you like what you saw, definitely like, subscribe. If you want more videos, definitely do that as well. And I'm gonna continue to post these videos and break down some of the trades that we take. So other than that, that's it for this video.